Yeah, guys, that's right. In fact, two of the state's largest school districts, New Britain and Bridgeport, have already hinted at the fact that masks will stay on regardless of what the governor has said. Today, masks in school was the most talked about topic during a 7-hour virtual public hearing held before the legislature where nearly 400 people signed up to make their voices heard. Just mere weeks after urgently mobilizing more than 1 million N95 masks to schools, an about-face from Governor Lamont recommending that the school mask mandate end.
I think this is something we've earned, Connecticut. We've earned it.
Data shows the Omicron curve in schools is falling almost as fast as it rose. Still, nearly 4,000 students and 700 staff tested positive during the most recent week of data.
I cannot predict exactly what February 28th is going to be, but what I can say is things are going in the right direction.
Those who want the school mask mandate to end point to a different set of data that shows only 7 people under the age of 19 have died of COVID in Connecticut.
This is no longer an emergency. The real emergency is the mental health of our children.
But others disagree, saying it's not only about the admittedly low death rate of young people, but also the danger that younger, largely unvaccinated children pose to older adults.
If masks are eliminated from schools, you are making students themselves assassins in their own communities and families.
So what happens now? The power shifts back to lawmakers, who will either A, decide to extend Governor Lamont's emergency powers, B, allow cities, towns, or school districts to make their own local decisions, or C, put individual choice back in the hands of parents.
The best local control is putting that voice back to the parents.
And one thing is for sure, all of those decisions will end up being controversial. There's 2 important dates here that you need to know. The first one, February 15th, that's when Governor Lamont's emergency powers are set to expire. And then there's February 28th. That's when that school mask mandate is set to expire. And coming up on the news at 5 o'clock, we're going to have reaction from the state's largest teachers union. What do they have to say about this school mask mandate debate? We're live outside the state capitol in Hartford. Matt Karen, Fox 61 News.